Hi everyone, Mike Sherry. I'm back with Paul Sherry RVs. We're a local RV dealer in Piqua, Ohio, but we sell nationwide and all the way up into Canada for various reasons. But if you want to investigate, definitely go investigate us. Pause this video, go to Google like you do, type in Paul Sherry RVs, read our reviews off to the right, and just check us out. Check out our website, check out our pricing. That's a key factor. Check out the fact we don't charge additional fees on top of the pricing other than your taxes and title and dock fee. So check that out and check out our reputation. All right, I am excited to show you probably one of the lightest travel trailers in the industry. It's definitely the most popular best-selling teardrop trailer in the industry because it's one of the first ones that was mass-produced, the Forest River R-Pod. This trailer weighs under 3,000 pounds, so you can tow it with almost any vehicle out there in the market. It's 6.5 foot wide, so you can see around the vehicle with your normal mirrors. Typically, RV is going to be 8 foot wide, so it's 1.5 foot skinnier, so it tows down the road really well. Being teardrop, it's super aerodynamic, so it cuts through the wind well. So it's cool. I like it. And this is one of their newer floor plans, the 191 twin bed. All new Forest River R-Pod, new for this year is the exterior color. Went from a gray and blue to just simply the gray. Power tongue jack on this. One propane bottle. Comes with a brand new battery. Good storage here. Notice that passes all the way through to the other side, but there's something unique and special and new this year that I'll show you on the other side. Water heater, 6-gallon. Water fill here. Notice the underbelly here. Dump station up ahead by the axle. This does have a slide out on it. Opens it up very nicely inside. Kitchen's going to be on the slide. Has alloy wheels. An outside shower. Great spot to wash off your feet. Kiddos. If you just come home from the beach. More pass-through storage in the rear. Has the big full-size spare tire. Check out our website. I'll also put links below. The R-Pod comes with the signature spoiler, which doubles as a place to put the marking lights, but also it increases fuel economy. Other side of the storage. And I promised you I'd show you this. This is new for this year. The outside kitchen. Comes with 2-burner stove, a wash basin, and then there's the port here for your hose. Weighing in under 2,900 pounds, this is the all-new Forest River 191 R-Pod. The 191 will feature your U-dinette in the rear of the trailer. The table will come down for even workspace there that allow the cushions to even out for extra sleeping. The windows all have pleated shades and ample amount of windows. In the kitchen here, the kitchen's all going to be in that slide out area, which what that allows here, if someone's at the sink or the refrigerator, the other person can pass behind them. There's enough room because of that slide out. So it's really an ingenious spot to put the slide. We have here on the kitchen a nice deep countertop. Single stainless steel sunk down sink. 2-burner stove, propane stove. Have your convection microwave. This is your half-time oven. Really nice. And your dual mode, actually 3 modes of refrigerator power. Tri-mode and freezer built in. Front of the trailer features the 2 twin beds. Really nice and comfortable mattresses on those. And a nightstand in between and a little cubby down there to store your stuff. Wardrobe up ahead here. Oops, sorry. Whack the camera. Spot to hang your clothes. And then before we get to the bathroom, you have your monitor panel here. This will tell you your levels of your different holding tanks along with your battery, and this will also work your water heater. Heating and air conditioning controls. This does have a built-in rooftop air conditioner and a built-in propane furnace. Behind this door is your bathroom. It's all-in-one wet bath, stool, spot to wash your hands, hot and cold water, and shower. And it does have the maxi fan up there and even a little light. It's a nice all-in-one bathroom. Television's mounted right here on the wall. Beauty of this, the mount will actually swing all the way around and you can watch it from laying in bed. Above that, you have the rest of your electronics here. It's your radio that'll allow you to play your music inside and out with the flick of this switch. And your different controls here. This does have the power awning on it. Side room is power, and your different lights right here. So this completes this walkthrough on this all-new Forest River R-Pod. So if you have any questions, by all means, call us. I'll post the links below that'll have our contact information. Financing is available with approved credit, and we do that right here at the store. Actually, we were rated the top finance team in the nation last year, right here at Paul Sherry's. So we're excited about that. If you're looking to trade in or upgrade, we would love to have an opportunity at your trade. And it's kind of the purpose of these videos. If you're looking to buy an RV, by all means, check out what we have, and we'd love the opportunity to earn your business.